Welcome to Connected, the supply chain traceability platform. With this tutorial, we're going to show you the different functionalities of the system, starting from the sign up and login process, then edit organization, orders, shipments, stock, and local help desk contacts. You can access Connected from the website connected.controlunion.com, which brings you to the main login and sign up page. In this page, you also see a Learn More link where you can access some guidance documents and the sign up link. You click on sign up, and here you are required to enter some company and primary user information. I'll give you as an example. Once all the details are there, you click on sign up, and you should also see a confirmation below saying that the sign up is completed. At this stage, the system sends you an email where you will find a link to set your password. This email is like the one I'm showing you now, and you can click on the link and you are redirected to a set password page. Here, you enter your chosen password, and you click on confirm. Now the system sends you also a confirmation email saying that your password has been set. And this email looks like the one I'm showing you right now. At this point, with your username, which is your email address, and your chosen password, you can log in to Connected. In case you forgot your password, you can click on this link and you are able to set your password again. So you click on Login and you access Connected. Before entering Connected, you will be also asked to accept some terms and conditions. So after you accept these terms and conditions, you are able to start using all functionalities. So as a recap of the sign up and login process, there are a few points that you should remember. First of all, the website for Connected is connected.controlunion.com. In case you intend to do only trainings or practice, please use the test link, which is the one written here, orca.controlunion.com/test/connected. Only one user from your company has to sign up. If additional users have to be registered, then they must be added by the primary user in the edit organization sections, which I'm going to show you later. In case you encounter any issue during the sign up, please do not try to sign up again, but contact the help desk to this address, and they are going to guide you further. So, your login credentials are your user ID, which is your email address, and the password which is set during the sign-up process. In the initial page, you see on the left the different sections of the system, And on top you see your company name, and below the registered email address, the email address which was used for the sign up. If you click on the arrow on the side, you can either log out or you can access the profile section. In the profile section, you can change your password to this link, or you can enter or edit the details of the primary user. Under the Edit Organization section, you are able to edit your organization details, so name, address, email address, and very important here, you are required to enter the latitude and longitude coordinates. Below, you also see a section where you can select the compliance status which is applicable to your organization. In this case, as an example, you have these options. So you select which one is applicable to your organization, and then you save. Under the contact section, you can enter additional users of the system. And then you click on Save. Under Production Processing Unit section, you have the possibility to register all processing and production units which are linked to your organization. So I'll give you an example. You start writing here the name of the unit. And the system shows you all units which have been already registered and containing the same name that you are typing. In case your unit is already registered, you can simply select it and link it. In case the unit is not already registered, then you continue with create unit, and here you enter the unit name, address, email address, phone number, and as said before, you are required to enter the latitude and longitude coordinates as well. And you can select the compliance status which is applicable to this specific unit. You can in addition select which kind of processes are undertaken under the unit, so you can select if it's embroidery, you can select multiple processes, and you can also click if this unit is your own production or processing unit, otherwise if it is a subcontracted facility. At the end, you save, and all the details are shown here. As a recap regarding the Edit Organization section, under this section you can register, update organization and contact details. Remember to enter and update all your production and processing units. And remember to enter the latitude and longitude coordinates of your organization as well as of your units. Remember to select the compliance status applicable to your organization as well. In the orders area, you have two sections. One for outgoing orders, which are orders you are submitting to your suppliers. and incoming orders, which are orders you are receiving from your clients. So here you have all the list of orders you received, when you received them, who is your customer, and the order reference number. If you click on view, you see all details regarding the order, including the lots and the material which has been ordered. In this page, you can also select and filter if you want to see open orders, so orders which need still to be fulfilled, and fulfilled orders. I'm now going to show you how to create an order. You click on the plus button. You enter your order information, which is order reference number. In this case, put 123. Here, you can select, you can write who is your supplier. If the supplier is already registered and connected, you are going to see it here in the list. In case the supplier you are looking for is not already registered, then you need to go back to the login and sign up page, and under the sign up link you can enter the details of the supplier. The supplier is going to receive a notification via mail, and is going to be able to register in Connected. So once you register in Connected, then you are going to see it in the platform here, and you are also able to select him as a supplier. In this case, this supplier called Trial Yarn is already in the system. So you select it, you save. Here, under the product section, you can add products information. In this case, for example, I'm ordering dyed yarn. You select the category, select yarn, the weight of the material you are ordering in kilograms, then the quantity. You select the quantity which is applicable to your situation. In this case, I select cartons. Okay, and you see that the products have been added here. You can add also additional products to the same order, of course. You see all of them added here. Under linked customer orders, you must select the order, the incoming order, which is linked to the outgoing order you are just creating. So you can select the one which is applicable. You can select one or maybe more than one, and you see all of them here. So click on save, and now once the orders information are saved, you can click on place order. So now under outgoing orders, you see that you placed this order number to this supplier, and you can also see all the orders information. As a recap for the orders functionalities, the orders functionalities allow you to place outgoing orders to your suppliers, receive incoming orders from your buyers, see details of orders, mark orders as fulfilled. In the incoming order section, you can filter between fulfilled and open orders. If your supplier is not in the platform, you can invite it by entering its details in the sign up section. It will receive an email notification, and then it will be able to set up its login credentials and access connected. Under the shipments area, you have two sections. One is for outgoing shipments, which are all shipments that you are sending to your customers or to units belonging or working for your customers, and incoming shipments, which are all shipments which you are receiving from your suppliers. So if you start from the outgoing shipments section, here you have you can see when the shipments were sent, here when they were received. If it's blank, it means that the shipment has not been received yet. Here you have the name of the recipient of the shipment. It can be your customer location, or it can be the location of the unit under your customer. Here you have the total weight of the shipment, and here the order numbers which are related to the shipment. If you click on view, you have some additional information about the shipment. You have the shipment ID, shipping unit, which can be your organization location. It can be one unit under your organization. Here you have the destination, the recipient of the shipment. Here the transportation mode, which is in this case truck, weight of the shipment, and date of the shipment. Under shipping lots, you find additional information of the products which you are shipping. So it's in this case is dyed fabric. Here you see the category, which is fabric, the weight in kilograms, and the quantities in this case is in square meters, 4,000 square meters. And here you have the lot number of the material. Under linked orders, you have all orders which are linked to these outgoing shipments. So basically, they are all orders which you are fulfilling with this outgoing shipment. In incoming shipment, you see when the shipment was sent from your supplier or from a unit belonging to your supplier. Here, when you received the shipment, here is the sender name. The sender can be the same name of your supplier, it can be the name of the unit under your supplier. And the weight is the total weight of the shipment, and here you see the order which is related to the shipment. And here as well, if you click, you have some additional information about the specific shipment. Under actions, you have additional options other than view. Here you can decline a shipment. So when you decline a shipment, your supplier is receiving an automatic notification to inform the shipment was rejected, and receive when you accept the shipment. And once you click on receive, this material is going to be automatically loaded into your stock. Now I give you an example on how to create an outgoing shipment. Here you put your shipment reference number. In this case is we put S1212. Total weight is going to be calculated automatically. Transport by, here you have the possibility to choose which is the transportation mode used for the shipment. In this case, I select truck. Shipping unit. Here you can select your own location. In this case, it's tire fabric. So I'll put trial fabric, or you can even select one of your units which have been registered under your organization. So in this case, I select trial fabric. Destination unit is where you are sending this material. So in this case, as an example, I select trial garment. If the unit you are selecting here is not appearing within the multiple choices, it would probably mean that the unit is not registered yet. So in this case, you need to go back to the sign up login page, and in the sign up section you can enter the details of the unit that you are trying to find. So the contact person at that unit is going to receive a notification and is going to register and connected. So in this case, I find my destination unit in the system. The seller is the same company, Trial Fabric, and the buyer, in this case, I assume is the same as the destination unit. You click on Save. Now you need to enter details about the lots that you're shipping. So you click on plus. Category, in this case, fabric. Here you put a lot number. So let's consider it's this one. What's the total weight of your shipment? Quantity, in this case, I assume it's, as an example, it's in boxes, or better in square meters. And now you are asked to enter the input material which is used for your shipment. So here the system pulls out whatever you have in stock which is available for your shipment, for your production as well. So it's you can select one or multiple sources. So in this case, for example, select a bit of this. Here you can put the loss ratio applicable to this material. So in this case, I'm just selecting multiple lots that I'm using for this shipment. Save. Then I go back. And now, very important, before submitting an outgoing shipment, you need to link it to incoming orders. So here we have the list of your incoming orders, and you can link it to one, or if applicable, to more than one incoming order. So in this case, I link it to this order 123 demo, and you see the linked orders here below. Without linking your outgoing shipments to your incoming order, you are not able to ship your shipment. So in this case, as you see here, the shipment is ready to be shipped, and I click on ship if all is correct. If you need to edit, you click on edit. In this case, I ship it, and the shipment appears as sent. So here you also find the order number which has been linked to. Now, after sending an outgoing shipment, remember to also select, mark if any of the incoming orders have been fulfilled. So assuming that now I have shipped the shipment, and the shipment was to fulfill, complete this order, you remember to go under the orders incoming orders, and you mark 123 demo as fulfilled. It disappears from the list, but you can still track it using the filters above. Another situation when you use the shipping sections is when you need to register incoming shipments. This happens when you have physical stock which you need to use for a shipment, and this physical stock has not been registered in Connect yet, probably because it was already there before you joined Connected, or in case of fiber suppliers, for example, they are the beginning of the supply chain, so they need to register their stock in the system by themselves. So these are few options, few situations when you need to register incoming shipments. Let's make an example. You go into incoming shipments, you click on plus, you check what was the shipment reference number which is related to the material which you have in stock. ABC, for example, 123. Total weight is calculated automatically. It was coming by truck. The shipping unit was trial yarn. Destination unit is your own location, or it can be one of the units under your organization. In this case, I assume it's your same location, so it's trial fabric. The seller in this case is trial yarn, and still I'm assuming that the seller of the incoming products is the same as the entity is from where the products are shipped. So I save, and here you add some more information about the product. So in this case is yarn ABC, category is yarn, lot is L12Y, weight was 5,000 kilograms, quantity was 300 cartons, for example. Click on save, so the lot was saved. And if you go into incoming shipments, now you can click on register, and once you click on register, your stock, this material is updated. So you are going to see it under stock here. So as a recap regarding the shipments functionality, the shipments section allows you to create and submit outgoing shipments to your buyers, allows you to register incoming shipments from suppliers, allows you to register stock by creating incoming shipments. Remember, before submitting a shipment, to link it to the related incoming orders, because without linking outgoing shipments with incoming orders, the supply chain is broken. And make sure that all shipments that are to fulfill incoming orders are submitted in Connected. And also mark incoming orders are as fulfilled once all the related shipments are submitted in Connected. In this section, you will find the contact details of the local help desk centers. Support centers are available in every region to provide you training, assistance, and guidance in using Connected. In this table, you see the primary representative, the telephone number, and The email address for the support center is connectedsupport@controlunion.com.